Hey guys, Tom from Artec Industries here. I'm the sales director as well as the president of Wasatch Off-Road here in Salt Lake, and been an avid off-roader for about 25 years now. And I'd like to tell you about the new Bantam series high clearance front bumper we have. So this is our comp bumper. It does have a hoop on it. It is a frame chop bumper, so you actually are going to gain about 4 inches of clearance off the front of your vehicle. When you chop the frame back, the winch is recessed down so you get ample flow of air to your radiator here. It holds up to a 12,000 pound winch, has a 32-degree angle approach angle. We've had this bumper on this Jeep for about 8-9 months now, testing it out, coming up and down different ledges on different trails all over Utah. And we have not been able to actually touch this front bumper. It just flows with the lines of the Jeep itself, and it just fits form, function. It's absolutely incredible. It comes with D-ring mounts. It's available with this hoop or without the hoop on it. And it is available powder coated or not powder coated. So it's just a great piece for your guys wanting to build a hardcore Jeep with no problems. Like you can see this Jeep's on 42-inch tires and 1-ton axles. The steering wheel is full lock, and we still have plenty clearance here, even fully stuffed. Tires don't even get close to the bumper at all, like they do with some other bumpers on the market.